Hi, welcome back to Essential Hair Academy. I'm Tim Duenas, and today we're here with Mary. We're gonna be working on a density story today, meaning we're gonna work on how to remove density without over texturizing your client's hair. We're gonna do this with some disconnection, meaning we're gonna cut one panel longer, one panel shorter, and allow the longer panel to fall over it. That way it's gonna really minimize the areas where we feel maybe there's too much bulk, and then it'll give us maximum movement on the other areas. It's also gonna allow her to air dry her hair really nicely and give her some versatility to her hair. We're gonna be working the front, bringing this up a bit and giving her some shape around her face. Lengthwise, we'll take a couple inches off, giving her a clean reset. And then here in the back, we're gonna be working from just above the occipital bone down to flatten this out, and everything over the top will fall over. So today we're gonna be working dry. We're gonna be working with our 6-inch Pro Feel scissors to kind of cut dry and also do some slide work to remove some density. Since we're gonna be cutting Amy dry, I'm gonna go ahead and smooth her out. I'm gonna use a mixed bristle brush and damp her down with just a little bit of a leave-in conditioner to give me some slip, minimize some of this fuzz. And her natural wave comes out, so we'll speak to how we leave a little bit of length in places when we're dry cutting to make sure that it's still gonna be great for your client when they air dry or dry it themselves. Go ahead and smooth her hair section by section using my mixed bristle brush. So it's got some nylon bristles, some boar bristles. We'll place the wide tooth of the comb on the middle of the forehead. So we've gone ahead, that's our initial section, and we're gonna work now through the back. And when I'm layering, to be a little bit more aggressive, as I know that I'm gonna be removing length down here. We're gonna be using the tight teeth of our comb. You have thicker hair, smaller sections. If you have finer hair, thicker sections. So the hair will be about 90 from the initial section. Scissor in flat position. And we're just gonna cut as we move. So now you can see how light that perimeter line is. So we'll take our original guide here. Much better. Following the head shape, we're gonna continue to do the same here. I'm gonna cut my line. It's gonna come out like this. So see how much less weight we have in that line. And we're doing that to just mimic what we did over here. So previous cut hair, and we can section that away. We're looking for this V here, a center section. We've really opened up that movement. Big change. And no length has been cut yet on this haircut. Just like we did the other side. Dial that face frame in. A little heavier here. So we'll come back through. And that's an elevation thing. Take some of our guide here. There it is. Just right there, a little elevation. Comb down, and we're just gonna lightly come through, take off this bit here. So again, points of my shear, top of the head to just behind the ear. We're gonna keep our elevation low. We're not trying to affect our internal structure here. Still, section away what I cut before. Diagonal back section. Elevate up in this line. So I'm closing on the out just to break my line up. Is really understanding where to place it. Disconnection is to thin things out or square things off. It can also be used to build up shapes. If I want my disconnection to keep my shape leaner, I'm always gonna place it below a round. So for example, lean out the side here, my disconnection is gonna be from the round down. By planning for that short layer to fall to the length and not cutting the length before really allowed me to manipulate that. Be able to go back through and customize on the fly and get the most out of what we're trying to achieve, which is movement, length, and texture. So there you have it, a modern twist on a long layer with a nice disconnection, cut dry, minimal texturizing, and really learning how to manipulate the density of your client. I look forward to what you guys create. At any time, tag us at Essential Hair Academy, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.